Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we're basically going to try viral TikTok food hacks. So there's a lot of stuff that's happening on the internet, and a lot of it is going viral because they're trying out viral food hacks. So basically what I'm trying to do is we're going to try out viral TikTok food hacks, like, McDonald's is softie. That is basically McDonald's is ice cream with Subway's cookies and like whatever, put it together and make like an ice cream sandwich out of it instead of going to the store and buying an ice cream sandwich, and basically a lot of other things like that. You're gonna see the entire thing in today's video, so make sure to watch this video to the end. Subscribe if you haven't, and basically we're gonna go get stuff and you're gonna see it throughout the video. We got Sprite, we got nachos, we got milk. You're gonna see a lot of weird shit in this video. Now we have to go get Subway cookies, which is it's right here. So we got McD softie. Okay, so I'm gonna fucking put the softie on. Subway's cookies look damn good, but it's not hot because we fucking did he heat it? He didn't heat it, no? Fuck it. So usually it's supposed to be McDonald's softie with McDonald's cookie, but McDonald's I don't think has that great cookies, so you can use Subway cookies as well. So all you need to do is fucking, oh god, dude. You can't do this without making a mess. See, basically you get the entire softie on it, at least how much you can. What the fuck do I do with this? They don't tell you what the fuck to do with this on TikTok, dude. But okay, that's pretty much it. Oh fuck, it's gonna drip like a motherfucker. Should I take a bite? Okay, so this is how it looks. Fucking very messy, but like, oh, this is so good. Don't do this in your car. Do it in the fucking house. I'll see y'all after I'm done with this and this. So for those of y'all who think I wasted it, I fucking didn't. It's absolutely beautiful. You have to try this hack. Oh fuck, I dropped on my pants.
Pant ke lode bol.
Okay, so we're going to a good spot to stop at because there was too much traffic and there was too much noise in the background. So we're looking for a good spot and we go to the better. Hey fuck, we could have gone.
Hey.
Okay, so we're back to the same old spot where we bought Subway from. Subway's right there. We're probably going to eat in Subway after we're done with this video. Okay, so the next hack is basically you need Sprite, like a Sprite tin, and you need a straw. I don't know if this straw is going to work, but that's what the point of this hack is, to check. Like, so alright, you need to open the, the tin.
Oh.
So basically what happens is, if you put your straw inside, it keeps, oh fuck. When you put the straw inside, what usually happens is, oh benches. So it keeps floating back upwards. What the fuck? Why is it so fizzy? So what usually happens is it doesn't stay. The straw doesn't stay. It keeps coming back up. So the point of this hack is basically to put The point of this hack is to basically fit the straw through this. So it doesn't come back up. But this doesn't usually work because there's no straw that's that small. Unless you use your straw. Obviously not all straws are going to fit through this because it's a very small gap. So it depends on the tin you buy, it depends on the straw you have. So I don't think this should be like a viral TikTok hack and all of that. But like, otherwise you can just generally put your straw in and drink it and hope it stays, or probably, oh what the fuck. For whoever's trying this, another hack is use a paper straw. So the paper straw doesn't really float up the way plastic straws do. See, it's actually staying. Like, the hack was the straw keeps coming back up, right? But since it's the paper straw, it's staying down. It's not floating back up. On to the next hack. So it's basically Sprite and milk. Apparently, if you mix Sprite and milk, it's supposed to taste nice or something. I've never tried it. I don't even think I should try it. But fuck it, for the video. Only for the video. How do I open this shit now?
With your mouth.
We opened the milk successfully 2 hours later. Okay, so McD hooked us up with a cup. So I'm gonna pour some milk into the cup.
Homemade.
What the fuck? Okay, so I'm gonna put some milk into the cup. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some Sprite into the cup where the milk is.
Dude.
Bro, there's lemon lime flavored Sprite with milk. What the fuck?
That's paneer now.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna taste it just for the camera to see how it is. I'm pretty sure it's shit. Doesn't smell like anything. Smell it?
Yeah, bro, mad, oh.
I'm gonna try this. Let's see how it. Here goes. Tastes like spoiled milk.
You've tasted it earlier.
I tasted spoiled milk by mistake, not fucking voluntarily. This is voluntary.
This is for the video, no?
This sucks. Take a sip.
No, I'm good.
-5 out of 10 for that stupid hack. It wasn't even a hack. It was just. So the next hack is basically you buy a large packet of chips, like a family pack of chips. We chose the tikka masala.
10 rupees expensive, so we didn't buy it.
Oh, this smells so good. Smell it. So basically what you need to do is you need to start folding it from the bottom. You need to start folding it from the bottom so the chips come up. So you don't need to, put your hand through and fucking do all of that shit.
This wasn't about nachos.
So you basically need to keep folding it from the bottom. Only problem is like a few chips will probably break down. Like whatever chips are at the bottom will probably break. No, you don't have to put your hand like all the way in while eating your fucking... This is sorted, dude. Yeah, here. Fuck. Okay, this hack is like... See, a few chips broke at the bottom, so we'll give it like a 7 on 10, not like an 8 or 9. Because we'll know how many broke only when we, go to throw the bag after we're done with the chips. So, yeah, this is like a 7.5 on 10. The ice cream sandwich was a 10 on 10, was brilliant. The straw with the Coke doesn't always work, so that's like a 3 on 10. But if you use a paper straw, it works, so like 3.5, 4 on 10. The milk and Sprite was a -5 on 10. It was horrible, but like this is like damn cool. This is like the second best after the ice cream sandwich. Although the ice cream sandwich is very messy, so like that's the only problem with it. But like it's so neatly arranged, dude. We're not gonna do this, but nachos in a sub. Everybody does this, so you must try. Pretty sure even TikTok has it. You go and you...
Before they ask you to stop.
9 out of 10. Good hack. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. So this were a few TikTok hacks. We're gonna try a few more. We'll make a few more of these videos depending on how this video does.
And subscribe kar lo.
Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're going to be uploading a lot. So obviously a lot of shorts are being uploaded on a regular basis. So apart from that, we're going to try making long videos consistent. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and peace out.